All right, guys. So another trading day, day number four, and the market looks like we're going to the upside. It looks like we're ripping, and I want to take some trades. This 5 minute is closing in about 3 minutes, so this could give us a big push up. See 35s, and then see volume coming in 36, 37s, 1 minute push. Oh, we missed. Next 1 minute pullback. We don't want to take this minute, guys, because this minute is gonna. Do we see sellers here? Below this candle is 27s. This one's 23s. I'm looking for the dip. Yeah, yes, this is why the 5 minute breakout, we need for it to wait until it closes 116s and we should be going long, guys. Over 116, 19,000 116s. If it breaks this blue, this might be a false break. We could take the false break, but it's already overextended. Um, and look, over 116, we need to hold this level. 19s, and we're not gonna hold it. There you go. It's still bullish though. It's still bullish. Below here, we start to sell below this level, consolidation level, which is 67s. But this is a big range. This is 40 points, 50 points, guys. So in between these two is a really huge range. So no matter if even if you get in here, you're losing about 30 points. So what a false break. So we sold quick. Is it gonna I don't feel like it's gonna hold. But we could be wrong because this 5 minute is still. I don't like this 5 minute. Uh, let's see. A little drop below that. Yeah, I don't like that 5 minute. Just because it can easily break to the upside, like right now. But if we broke the trend, we can possibly go lower. We can hold this. It's still bullish though. The day's still bullish. So we can give this to 102s, retest of the 78s, retest here, 80s. If it goes huge up, then we sell and we take it for a loss. If it rejects this level, look, this is 102s, rejects that level, we can see potentially to the downside. Yeah, I don't like the green candle. That's can we break this trend? Let's take another one there and yeah, look at that green candle. So that this is a fake out. Still, this 5 minutes is still early. This has been 2 minutes only. Still trending up higher. So that's the but we can break. If we break down over hundreds, let's see this. Let's see another break. Let's see another break. Come on. Don't push higher now. We see another 90s. Can we see 90s, 80, 89s, 89s? Come on. We saw 89s. Let's see 85s. It retested. We should have been out there, guys. Can we retest it again? I don't know. Buyers are coming in. Oh, oh, beautiful. Whoa. I'll take another one. I think this is news. No, no, it's just sellings. There's no news. It's at a really important level. Look at this trend. It broke. We can see lows lower, and if we see here, we crossed that 50 EMA. We can see lower. It's a great 5 minute. I mean, if it reverses, then it'll be crazy. But great fucking trade, guys. Amazing trade. Can we see lower? Can we see 35s? Can we break that? Yes. Man, it was so hard to. We can see lower, guys. Can we see lower? It's coming to a resistance. I'll sell there, even though we can possibly see here and then retest. But damn! Imagine we held old five contracts. Or what did I have? Five, six? Let's see the next 5 minute, guys. Let's see this one is 20s. No, 10. Oh my God. Woo! Look at that. What a move. What a huge move. There's a bounce here, guys. There's a bounce here. Next minute we'll take the bounce. Next minute comes in 4 seconds. Oh shit. Horrible bounce. Ooh, we just gave a lot of profits because of the bounce. Oh, damn, what a fucking bounce. This is when price is going insane. This is what happens, and we forget to see this. This is the bounce. Oh, look at the bounce. Whatever, I'm happy. I gave $200 though. What a bounce, guys. I like to take these bounces, but when we're wrong, we're wrong. The thing is, I forgot that the the microsecond it gets delayed when it's so quick and volatile like this. It gets delayed. So what you have to do, you have to think and see the 1 minute and see if it's overextended. If you see volume coming in, then you take it. If you're wrong, you're wrong. And you sell quick. Like I sold quick, we would have been down pretty a lot. But look at this fucking bounce. This fucking bounce is beautiful. With this 5 minute wick, it is great. I can still take this. I have a lot of I have a lot of contracts, guys. I'm playing it big today. I don't know how I'm playing it big. I'm playing it big. With big contracts comes big responsibility. I don't want to add unless this becomes red, a red candle, then yeah. But this 5 minute, look, this 5 minute, we'll probably consolidate here because we've been, look, this micro minute is, mm, if this is really bearish, guys, we're going to test the lows. We see 70s, we retest the VWAP. I don't want to give profits because I was already down with buying the bounce. Yep, that's the one. Can we retest this? One more minute. I don't like this candle. We need to see sellers here and break quickly. If it holds another, if it comes back to 90s, I'm out. It's breaking. It looks like it wants to break. All right, we broke. Now what does it want to do? The 5 minute candle is undecisive. It's like hard to understand what the next price will be, so you have to take quick looks at the 1 minute and the 1 minute and mind you, we're at 10:30. We have time, but 75s, we can see the retest of 61s, 61s. This is a new 1 minute with a new 5 minute, and this could be either green or red. Look at this, green or red, because it's undecisive here, and we don't wanna. If it's red, and we can go lower and test the 58s, and then maybe even break, and then possibly push up. But we need to know whether we're on the good side or the bad side. If we're on the downside, we can hold this, but again, we don't want to be, we're on a good position, 1910s, but we have good profit right now and we don't want to lose that. This is 89s, 90s. This bar right here, the 1 minute bar is 92s. So that's 12 points. It looks like it wants to drop more. I don't want to add or anything. Yes, look, 50s. Can we now sellers are stepping in because the bar looks even better, but the bar is still undecisive, so we can make this a huge rip. Can we break 50s, 50s, 55s? This is a, yeah, just because, oh, with volume, we'll probably break. If volume comes and picks it up. Yeah, I wasn't gonna hold this because although we could still play the shorts, but oh man, great, 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 great bounce, great push. let's see the bigger trend, guys, because we're coming to a level of coming to levels that we're breaking quickly. And when we break quickly, we have to see a big bounce. Like, look at this bounce. Look at this bounce. I told you about this bounce, guys, because the 5 minute is undecisive and it could give bigger bounces. You could take the lows and break and stop at the break of lows and then give this. But again, look at the trend. Where's the trend? The trend is down. The trend is down. We broke this level. We broke this level right here. We're breaking this 18,951s that comes with the pre-market. Okay, and then there's these lines are important, guys, because look, right on the spot. If we would have seen that right on the spot, and if we break this, we go bearish and we possibly test this one. We test this level here at the lows, okay? And then if we break that, we start consolidating and we can retest this lows. So there's a couple of levels that are important here. And why did we pick this level here? One, it's the change and break of a trend because we were going down, up, down, V-shaped recovery, break of trend. We don't want to take this one because usually this level right here, look, you see, even though it bounced nicely off, we don't want to take these. Look, what did we say about the 1 minute reversals? Look at this. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way. Look, we go, it sometimes like quick moves down like this one, we go and take these levels. But this level, it's not a good support because if you see here, oops, if you see here, where is it? If you see here and here, yes, it gives support, but that's wicks. That's uh, these are small wicks that gives us a kind of like a a different, I would say like a smaller support because there were buyers or sellers that pushed the price down and so on, smaller support. So those are like tiny supports, right? But this one right here with this candle closes, candles, candle closes. Look, more touches here, more touches here, more touches. This only has one, two, three, four touches, but here it has one. Price is more steady on this. Even here, there's a touch. There's a touch here. There's a touch here. There's the touches here, right? So that's another important resistance or support, whatever you want to call it. If it breaks is resistance, if it's breaks to the downside, that's support. So V-shaped recovery, can price now come back here, retest this, because this was a huge drop. Can we come back? If this is a fake out to go longer, sellers are going to stop out and we go longer, or sellers are going to come in and bring the price down, retest this level to then, oh, let's take this out, remove. And if it retests this, we're definitely going lower because this was um yeah, there were buyers, but people are not going to buy at this level. People are gonna buy at this level, are gonna buy at this level, are gonna buy it here. People don't want to buy this because they're like they think about the stop outs. They think of like they think about, oh, I'm gonna get stopped out right away. I'm gonna it's gonna give me like a wick like this one. I'm gonna wait until price starts to consolidate and then go. So it'll probably gonna come here, consolidate, drop, consolidate, and so on. So we also took that one. Remember, we took this move down all the way down here because there's a one leg, the second leg. We take those all the time because the trend was broken here. It, this there's a small trend and then there's another trend here. Where is it? Oh, there's a bigger trend here, guys. Look at this trend. Look at this freaking trend. Freaking trend. This is fake. This is false because we're supposed to close. We close this bar, but these bars, this huge bar, look at this huge bar, shows us that it's not. We're supposed to close, break, break below this candle, and then continue down. But since we didn't do that, what did we do? We broke, held, held, higher lows, higher highs here, and bam, and pushed above this line. That means longs, 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 longs. We broke here, wick, wick. There was a break here, bam, and we took that break. And I think we took, maybe we took this break, and we saw huge. Look, price is coming up. I don't want to take this. Okay, price. Let's fix the charts. Price is coming up. We said we might see stop outs and buyers, and it shows us that price wants to continue to the upside because there's a wick here, there's wicks here, undecisive, and we go. I told you about buying here too, which was great. Look at this. We said to buy there and it was great. The only issue was that I was in already a trade going down and my bias was long was a short, sorry. So I was like, I don't want to change my bias, not now until we get more confirmation. So that's why again you need to know and stay in the trend. You never want to be, yeah, change the bias when you have different confirmations. Like here, this bar shows us huge confirmation that we want to go. If it closes above this, even if it closes right there, the next 5 minute can be a big push. Look, and sellers are stopping out. This push from 29s to 40s is sellers are stopping out. They're buying. And if sellers don't come in here quick to bring the price down again, then we're long. And we're long again, and maybe even take and come back here and break even new highs. So we have to check the the trend. But I remind you guys that this trend is lower. It shows us that we needed to go low and we broke the trend. So now these two moving averages almost touch each other. So that's a good thing about moving averages, that it shows us that maybe we want to go higher. I'm here above the 50 EMA, and let me fix the charts here. I love this chart, having so much fun with this chart just because the quick scalps that I can see. So that was a great ad for me on the weekend. I thought about it too. I was like, okay, what can help me limit my, my rotation of my head? So one of them was the screens. Still need to fix my chair because I still feel uncomfortable with this chair. I don't know if it's the screens. I don't know. My room gets cold. Um, I got my coffee here. Said I don't want to take the 50 MAs, and it was a good wick though. Close this bar. Mm, yeah, this can come back, come here, 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 and and we said we don't want to take the 50 MA. I lost a little bit, but this is the reasons why I don't take the 50 MA because it's quick. You're in, and you quickly you're down. So I wanted for it to break and have a confirmation. Can we find? Can we break and have confirmations and then possibly even a new um a new price here where